Are you ready to transform your career with qualifications that matter? Welcome to 3CIR, your gateway to accredited education and training that opens doors worldwide. At 3CIR, we're more than just an education company. We're a community of learners, educators, and industry leaders united by a common goal to empower you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed in today's competitive world. Whether you're looking to upskill, transition to a new career, or gain academic qualifications, 3CIR offers a wide range of courses designed with your future in mind. Our partnerships with top institutions and a focus on real-world application ensure you're getting the best education possible. Join thousands of satisfied students who've taken their careers to the next level with 3CIR. Our support team is here to guide you every step of the way, from enrollment to graduation. Don't wait to start your journey with 3CIR. Visit our website or contact us today to learn how we can help you achieve your dreams. Your future starts now.